New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1, updated 7th edition, chapter number 2, Integers and Order of Operations. Exercise 2b, question number 3. Find the value of each of the following. Now the first part of the question is 4 plus -7 minus -3. Step 1 is to multiply the positive sign by the -7, which results in -7. Next, positive 4 and -7 gives us -3. Now the negative of a negative is positive. Finally, -3 and +3 results in 0. The second part of the question is -3 minus 5 plus -9. Step 1 is to multiply the positive sign by the -9, which gives us -9. Since all three numbers have negative signs, therefore we will add them, but the result will have a negative sign. The third part of the question is 1 minus 8 minus -8. Since the negative of a negative is positive, so the expression simplifies to +1, -8, +8. Subtracting 8 and adding 8 cancels each other out, resulting in 0. Therefore, the final answer is 1. The fourth part is -2 plus -1 minus 6. Our first step is to multiply the positive sign by the -1, which results in -1. Since all three numbers have negative signs, therefore we will add them, but the result will have a negative sign, that is -9. The fifth part is 8 minus -9 plus 1. The negative of a negative is positive. Therefore, the expression simplifies to +8, +9, and +1. Their total sum is +18. Moving on to the sixth part, we have -5 plus -3 plus -2. I will multiply the first positive sign by -3, which results in -3. Then I will multiply the positive sign by -2, which results in -2. Since all three numbers have negative signs, therefore we will add them, but the result will have a negative sign, that is -10. The seventh part of the question is 6 plus -5 minus -8. If we multiply the positive sign by -5, we get -5. Next, the negative of a negative is positive. The expression simplifies to +6, -5, +8. 6 minus 5 results in 1. Finally, 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. The eighth part of the question is 2 minus -7 minus 8. As the negative of a negative is positive, therefore the expression simplifies to 2 plus 7 minus 8. Now 2 plus 7 is 9. Finally, 9 minus 8 is 1. The result will have a positive sign because 9 is greater than 8. Question number 4. Find the value of each of the following. Again, we are presented with the same questions, only the numbers are different, but the operations will remain the same. So without further ado, let's dive into the question. The first part of the question is 23 plus -11. Multiply the positive sign by -11, which results in -11. Next, 23 minus 11 is equal to 12. The second part of the question is -19 plus 12. The one-step answer is -7. The third part of the question is 17 plus -29. Multiplying a positive sign by -29 results in -29. Next, 17 minus 29 gives -12. The fourth part of the question is -21 plus -25. First, I will multiply the positive sign by negative 25, which gives us negative 25. Next, negative 21 minus 25 is equal to negative 46. The fifth part of the question is negative 13 plus 18. The one-step answer to the expression is 5 because we will subtract 13 from 18. The sixth part of the question is negative 24 plus negative 13. Let's multiply the positive sign by negative 13, which results in negative 13. The expression simplifies to negative 24, negative 13, since both numbers are negative. So we add their absolute values and keep the negative sign. Moving on to number 7, we have positive 16 plus negative 27. Now multiplying a positive sign by negative 27 results in negative 27. Next, positive 16 minus 27 results in minus 11. Last part of the question is negative 26 plus 14. The one-step answer to the expression is negative 12 because we will subtract 14 from 26. Since both numbers have unlike signs, we subtract 14 from 26 and keep the negative sign, that is negative 12.